Well, can I turn this into a platinum? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we're going to talk about what are the plans for the 6.7 Powerstroke, and we're getting started right now. But first, as always, if you haven't, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop those comments down below. What do you think of the direction we're taking on the build for our 6.7 Powerstroke? Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let us know you like the content and a different direction we're going on this than anything we've done previously. So guys, what we're gonna do with our 6.7 here is, it is a plain Jane 6.7. It came with a CD player and that was it. FM player. It has the only upgraded options this truck has are that we got a T on the emblem instead of just XL, which comes standard with power locks. The only real upgrades that happened to this truck were 4-wheel drive. It has a manual transfer case, which is kind of cool, something different. And the 6.7 Powerstroke engine itself. There was literally nothing else added to this build on this truck. That means down to the gearing, it's 331 gears. There's no uptick in anything on any aspect of this truck. Quite frankly, I am shocked it has turn signals on the mirrors, which while we're at it, I really like my blacked out lenses. However, with the current truck market and how out of control pricing has gotten on these things, I couldn't at the time afford a Lariat like I'd really wanted. And I assure you, Josh having his Platinum lets me know that quite frequently. But this gave me a really cool idea because you guys have seen me do builds all focused around power. The 6-liter is very power focused and racing and all that fun stuff. Stay tuned for a dyno event in April coming up. So I found this truck, which at the time was a really good deal, had low mileage, only 35,000 miles on it. We're at 62 now. And it was super clean. Not right now, it's filthy, it needs a good wash. But it's really a nice truck all in all, and I'm glad I bought it. It gave me the great idea of saying, how many other people are in the same boat as me where they'd like some of the fancier stuff, but the cost right now just isn't worth it. It's too expensive. So it gave me the cool idea to, well, can I turn this into a platinum? At the time I was saying Lariat, but it upsets Josh that I say it's gonna be a platinum, so we're gonna roll with that and keep harassing him. So this is really the introduction to the plan for this truck. We have done 2 things already to it. Those videos are coming. And basically it was putting a head unit in that gives us a lot of functionality. Quite frankly, we have more in the head unit area than any stock F250 in 2016 came with, because we have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay hooked up. All my steering wheel controls still work. We will be building upon that with at least 2, if not 3 cameras going on this truck. So I think it's safe to say that we will clearly be trumping the Platinums in that category. That video will be coming soon because I'm going to show you guys all that now that I have it figured out. It just took me a little bit to figure that out. We also just enabled remote start and programmed our first key on this truck. By the way, guys, don't pay Ford to program your keys because Forscan can do it for free, and it's pretty simple to do. I'll be showing you that soon. We're going to be installing fog lights soon on this truck. The switch is coming. I have the wiring harness, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. We're also going to have the ambient light sensor install coming as well. That's something all the higher end packages have. And even you can get that one on the XLTs for like auto headlights and stuff like that. And long-term plan is to install heated and cooled seats up front, leather, all the way in front, back, and adding heated seats in the rear because my other Lariat had them and I want them back, even though they were used once in the 1.5 years I owned it, but I liked the feature and we're getting it back. There will also be some cosmetic things with this that's going to be in line with another plan of trying to build a 2016 Tremor. I know they didn't make Tremors in 16, but we're gonna pretend. And basically the goal is trying to make a 2016 as much like a Tremor as we can with a blackout package. So white truck, blackout package, picture that. And we have a couple things we're gonna do for that over the years. I'm still not entirely sure what to do with this grill. I actually like the OEM grill. It'll work nice with the light or the camera I'm gonna put in the front bumper under the Ford emblem there, or not front bumper, front grille emblem. But I also don't think we can leave this chrome. I think that needs to change. I'm thinking something black, like gloss black. And I think we're gonna get rid of the chrome bumpers. and go white. I don't know yet. We have plans. We'll see what happens. Also guys, don't forget to check out the merch shelf. 6 Obros for free shipping on all of your orders right now. Go get a hoodie down there. It is cold out. It's not that terrible, but I'm a little chilly right now. Go get your 6 Obros merch. All that goes back into the channel and supporting us, and goofy projects like trying to turn a very basic XLT into a cooler truck than what Josh has. I mean, platinum. So anyway guys, just wanted to do an intro as to what the plan was. This is going to be a whole playlist trying to show you guys everything, so you'll have one place to go for everything from heated and cooled seat installs, the leather install, the head unit, sound system that this truck will get, the cameras, remote start, everything we're going to do to make this a fancier truck. You guys are going to get to see, including this will probably get re-geared because I don't like 331 gears. I want my 355s back. Part of me wants 373s, but that's neither here nor there. That'll include putting a locking diff up front, a leveling kit on this to give it that slightly more aggressive stance, different running bars or Nerf bars, whatever. So a lot of different stuff is going to happen. Stay tuned guys. If you're as excited about this update on the 6.7 as me, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comments down below guys, what are you looking forward to on the Project Platinum here? And I'll see you in the next upload.